Hey everybody, this is Kenny T. I just wanted to show you guys, we'll let you guys hear the GPR exhaust sound, and also some new merchandise that I bought. Let you guys check it out for the ones who's interested, the ones who's not, then okay. Hold on a second, I'm gonna let you hear the exhaust. Now remember the other exhaust sounded like a hybrid. You couldn't really hear it, but this one came all the way, like I said, from Italy, straight out of Italy, and took a minute to get here, but it was less than 2 weeks. I'll let you guys hear it if you're interested. Now, hold on one second. Okay guys, you heard that. Sounds really good, so you can imagine on the road how it sounds. One day I could hook it up somehow, get some the proper accessories to hook it up. And I wanted to show you also the new merchandise that I have, that I ordered from Cycle Gear, which is here. This one right here is actually cool. It's cooler for the head, holds in moisture. But you can see these, they have little grooves in them, little holes in them. And so this wraps around your head right here. And shows you where it says Cool Max at. Right here. And then you have, I was showing you how to put it on. And I also have this one here. One hand here, so I'm working with that. We have this one. You can open it up. We have another one. Military. But this is nice as well. But the first one I showed you is the most, it keeps your head the most cooler. And this one is nice here, put under your helmet as well. You work in the yard with it or wear it around town, whatever. And also the last but least I have, which is this one here, which is a patriotic mask, which is real nice. And I have this one on right now. This mask here, I have it on. I'll show you. It works great. Okay. And there go my baby there. Ram 1500. As you can see, it's raining outside. It's been raining here. So I started making a video inside. It's been raining so much and they ain't able to make videos outside as much though. And back to the GPR exhaust.